Now let's get you details of what's happening in Maharashtra. There is one ministry and one MOS that is likely to be given for Maharashtra. These are the details that are coming in. My colleague Arunil is joining us with the details. Yes, Arunil.
Pratibha, three parties basically. The BJP, the Ajit Pawar's NCP as well as CM Shinde's Shiv Sena will be lined up to get the cabinet berths, ministerial portfolios as well as the MOS post. Now first speaking about the BJP. BJP obviously got below par numbers in the state of Maharashtra. Only 9 MPs got elected. However, one minister, existing minister, Narayan Rane, he was the only minister who managed to secure a victory. He was not an MP earlier. He was being put in as a Rajya Sabha MP. However, Narayan Rane basically got the crucial Konkan seat, snatched in fact the crucial Konkan seat from the clutches of Uddhav Thackeray, defeated the incumbent MP Vinayak Raut. So he is expected to get a cabinet berth, a ministerial portfolio, whereas another MOS post is expected to go to the BJP as well. One of the women MPs, be it Smita Wagh from Jalgaon or Raksha Khadse from Raver, are expected to get the MOS post. Now speaking about CM Eknath Shinde, they are vying for two ministerial portfolios, one MOS as well as one ministerial portfolio. However, we understand that the BJP is inclined towards giving only one cabinet berth to CM Eknath Shinde's camp, and Srirang Barne, the MP, senior MP from Mawad, is one of the front runners to get it. If at all CM Eknath Shinde bargains for another MOS post, then it will be Pratap Rao Jadhav, who's from Buldana, who becomes a favorite to get the MOS position. With respect to Ajit Pawar camp is concerned, very below par performance in the state of Maharashtra. Only one seat that Ajit Pawar managed to win. However, there is a kind of a discontent amongst the Ajit Pawar camp as well, because they could get only 4 seats to contest, only 4 out of 48, and they managed to win one. However, Praful Patel is one of the front runners. In fact, he's been slated to get a cabinet berth from the Ajit Pawar camp as well. Looking at Maharashtra, it is extremely crucial, Pratibha. The reason for that is the state elections are lined up only in 3 to 4 months.